In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change estimated tax payments on TurboTax. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to review, and how to update your entries so your return reflects the correct estimated payments. Start by opening TurboTax and signing into your account. Once you're in, open your current tax return. If you land on the tax home screen, click Continue to enter your return. This takes you into the main workflow where you can make changes. Next, head to the Federal section. From there, navigate to Deductions and Credits. This is where TurboTax groups items you've paid during the year that can affect your tax, including estimated payments. Scroll down the page until you see the section called Estimates and Other Taxes Paid. Under that, look for Estimated Tax Payments. Click Start, Edit, or Revisit, depending on what you see. That opens the area where your estimated payments are stored for this tax year. TurboTax will now display the estimated tax payments you've already entered. Take a moment to review each payment amount and its date. It's a good idea to compare what's listed here against your own records, like bank confirmations or IRS direct pay receipts, to make sure the amounts and dates match. Accurate dates help TurboTax properly credit your payments to the correct quarter and year. If you haven't started your return yet, use the link in the description to access TurboTax and begin entering your tax information. Once your return is set up, come back to the Federal, Deductions and Credits, and Estimated Tax Payments path to make updates. When you're ready to edit, update the fields as needed. You can change payment amounts, correct payment dates, add any missing payments you made, or remove entries that don't belong. Be sure you're entering only federal estimated payments for the correct tax year. If you also made state estimated payments, those are entered separately in your state return. After making your updates, click Continue. TurboTax will save your revised estimated tax payment information automatically. You can always return to this section later if you need to make additional changes. Now check your tax summary. Look at your refund or the amount you owe to see how the updated estimated payments affect your return. If something looks off, go back and confirm the amounts and dates you entered. From here, continue through the remaining review and filing steps until your return is ready to submit. Follow TurboTax's final checks, and when everything looks good, proceed to file. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly update your estimated tax payments in TurboTax.